If you're trying to figure out how to price Grammarly for a year, quarterly, or monthly in 2026, this video will make it super simple. Grammarly has rebranded its individual paid plan as Grammarly Pro, and the final price depends on the billing cycle you choose. In this quick guide, I'll break down the annual, quarterly, and monthly options, explain which one gives you the best value, and help you decide which plan makes the most sense for your workflow. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the Grammarly Pro pricing in 2026. All of the prices we're using here are in US dollars and they apply to the Grammarly Pro individual plan. The annual plan costs $12 per month, but you pay $144 upfront for the full year. The quarterly plan costs $20 per month, and that comes to $60 billed every 3 months. The monthly plan is the most flexible, but also the most expensive at $30 per month. Now, if you're wondering which one is actually the best deal, the answer is pretty clear for most people. The annual plan is the best value by far. If you use Grammarly every day for YouTube scripts, blog posts, client work, or technical tutorials, the yearly plan can save you a lot over time. Compared to paying monthly, you're saving $18 per month, which adds up to $216 over the year. So if Grammarly is something you rely on regularly, the annual option is usually the smartest choice. You pay more upfront, but the savings are much better in the long run. Next is the quarterly plan. This one is a good middle ground if you don't want to commit for a full year, but you still want to save more than the monthly plan. At $60 every 3 months, it works well for short-term projects. For example, if you're running a 3-month video series, launching a course, or just need Grammarly for a specific season of work, the quarterly plan gives you flexibility without locking you in for 12 months. Then we have the monthly plan. This is the most flexible option because you're only paying $30 at a time, but it is also the most expensive if you keep it for a long period. In most cases, the monthly plan only makes sense if you need Grammarly for just 1 month, or if you specifically want access to features like the plagiarism checker or humanizer AI for a short-term task. So here's the simple breakdown. If you use Grammarly every day, choose annual. If you need it for a short project, choose quarterly. If you only need it temporarily, choose monthly. That's the easiest way to think about it. There's also one important note for 2026. Grammarly Premium and Grammarly Business for small teams have largely been merged into the Pro tier for individual users. That means creators can now get more advanced features in one place, including things like brand tones, which can help keep your writing consistent across different types of content. So if you were searching for Grammarly Premium pricing and couldn't find the old plan names, that's why. The naming has changed, but the pricing structure for individual users is now centered around Grammarly Pro. To summarize, the annual plan is the cheapest option overall. The quarterly plan is the best balance of flexibility and savings, and the monthly plan is the most expensive but most convenient for short-term use. The right choice really depends on how often you use Grammarly and whether you want to pay less upfront or save more over time. If this guide helped you understand Grammarly pricing a little better, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's trying to decide which plan to pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.